2022 at least, it is traded not like an inflation hedge, not like a safe haven bet, but it is traded like a tech stock. It has the same macro profile as the NASDAQ.
Crypto and investing is very close linked. It's for many young people been a vehicle, an entry point into investing, and the correlations are very clear. How does macro impact crypto?
The short answer is macro impacts everything. Although macro can sometimes appear detached, it is actually all about the real world. However, I think it's very fair to say that crypto is probably an asset class that has been born, to your point, from a very different set of circumstances. For my mind, it has to be a good set of circumstances. If it brings a whole new demographic cohort into the world of investing, then that's great. But the shorter answer to your question is that it is affected by macro, and I would prove that by just saying, look at the price action in 2022. What you've seen is that for the last 10 years plus, you've had a set of conditions which in market jargon speak is known as easy money or Goldilocks. Basically, interest rates have been so low, there's been so much cash sloshing around in the system that people are encouraged to innovate in the real world, and they're encouraged to take risk. But that also translates into financial markets, and they take risk in financial markets and invest in the riskier end of the spectrum. Crypto is very much at the risky end of the spectrum. It has lots of good attributes. It is traded not like an inflation hedge, not like a safe haven bet, but it is traded like a tech stock. It has the same macro profile as the NASDAQ, and it has sold off over the last 5-6 months simply because the markets have come to realize that inflation has got out of control, and the Fed, having argued that it was transitory, i.e. it wouldn't last, have suddenly pivoted in a very hawkish direction, started to hike interest rates aggressively. The last meeting in June, they hiked by 0.75%, which is the biggest move they've done in one go in decades. And that has just killed the risk appetite across several risky assets, crypto included. So you can buy crypto because you believe in all different reasons, but you do need to be aware of the macro environment. It does impact everything.